Good morning students, welcome to your English class. Today we shall discuss about paragraph writing. Paragraph is an art of writing on the given topic in brief, means limited words. In some words we are supposed to write on the given topic. It is an art. It has topic, supporting sentence that all related closely to the topic. To write on the given topic in limited word is known as paragraph writing. In paragraph writing, you are supposed to use limited words. Then what you are to write in it, in paragraph? You are to write your views in that paragraph on the given topic. That is called paragraph writing. There are lots of difference between essay writing and paragraph writing. Essay writing. In essay writing, you are to write your views in detail. But in paragraph writing, you are supposed to write your words, your views in limit. You are to give your views in limited words. Means you are to be brief in your views, in your presentation. Or we can say the theme of the given topic. In paragraph, the theme of the given topic should be in limited words. Do you know what are the objectives of paragraph writing? Now let us discuss objectives of paragraph writing. First, write the given paragraph effectively and creatively. Means we are supposed to write the paragraph in an effective way and creative way. In a creative way and effective way, you are to write a paragraph. You are to select your words, your sentences in an effective way. So many views you must be having about that topic, but you are to be selective in those views, in those ideas. Next, first, in other words, it develop in us to present our ideas in an effective way. Next is organize collected thoughts and ideas into a well-written paragraph. For writing paragraph, what your first step should be? First, you are to frame some points on the given topic. If some topic is given, frame some main points on that and collect those points and then write those points, those ideas in detail. Okay, so paragraph writing develops in us to collect the thoughts, ideas, to write a well-written paragraph, a well-framed paragraph we can say. Next, use limited words to express your ideas. For paragraph writing, you are to use limited words as you have the word limit. You are supposed to write it in 80 or 100 words only. That means you are not to extend more than 12 or 13 lines. Maybe 15, but not more than that. But in essay, you are supposed to write in 200 words. Means you are to write it in detail. But in paragraph writing, you are to compress your words, your ideas. You are to write in limited way. Then increase your vocabulary. For paragraph writing, we are supposed to write it in limited words. So it also increases our vocabulary. For paragraph, we are supposed to express our views about the given topic in we can say in limited words. So we use selected words. We come to know about new words which can express our view in limited words. So you get a chance to tell your point in brief. Now let us discuss what are the types of paragraph, different types of paragraph. First is the descriptive paragraph. Descriptive paragraph used to describe the topic. These type of paragraphs are used to paint a picture in the mind of the readers and show the readers what thing a person or place is like. Means they describe person, place or thing. Descriptive paragraph used to describe person, place, thing or some facts. And for descriptive paragraphs, most of the time we make use of simple present tense. Okay. Next is narrative paragraphs. In narrative paragraphs, we narrate a story that includes sequences like clear start, middle of the topic, and end to a paragraph. Narrative paragraph may be if I won a lottery ticket, or we can say the happiest day of my life, the worst day of my life, the day when I won the championship, when I won the inter-school speech competition. Okay, and then process paragraph. Process paragraph gives the readers step by step explanation of how to do something. For example, cooking, building, opening an account in the bank, or you should use imperative sentences in this type of paragraph. Now today we'll discuss main descriptive paragraphs. Welcome back, students. Now I'll make you understand how to write paragraph writing with the example of my school. Paragraph writing on my school. Suppose you are to write, you have been given this question in the exam that you are to write paragraph on my school. First of all, what you are supposed to do, you are to frame some main points in rough sheet. Okay, first, where do you study? Then playground, how many playgrounds are there in your school? Then the games you play there. You can describe, you can tell us about the games, different games which you play in those playgrounds. Next, small gardens. Small gardens are there in your school. Small gardens are there, and how they increase the beauty of your school. And flowers you see there. Flowers, you can give the names of the flowers which you see in those gardens. Next, classrooms. You can write the sentences about different classrooms and different things in your classroom, different things which are available in each classroom. Okay, just like marker, whiteboard, green boards, smart boards, projectors, or we can say display board. Okay. Next is the different labs and rooms which are available in your school, just like practical labs, music room, dance room, robotic labs, library, auditorium. You can make the sentences, frame sentences in one or two these rooms also. What you do in music room, dance, how you enjoy there, and auditorium, library. Okay. Next, you can write about your teachers, what they teach, teachers, how loving they are, and what they teach, what subjects they used to teach, and how they teach, means their way of teaching you can define. First, you are to write about your school name, in which school you study. Then playgrounds, you can describe about playgrounds. Then gardens in your school. Then you can describe about your classrooms, practical labs, music rooms, dance room, robotic labs, library, auditorium. And then teachers, how loving they are, what they teach, what subjects they used to teach, and how they teach, their way of teaching. In this way, you are able to frame more than 15 sentences, I think so. Then you are to compress your sentences. Now let us discuss how to write. Now let us see how to write paragraph, how to give full sentences to our main ideas. Main ideas first we created. We have discussed the main ideas which we created for my school paragraph. And now see how give full sentence to those ideas. How to write those ideas in full sentence. Let's see. First you are supposed to write the heading. And what is the heading? My school. My M capital, school S capital. Okay. Then you are to start your paragraph. Leave some space there. I study in Dr. M.K.K. Arya Model School, Panipat. First, what you are supposed to write in the first line? In which, where you study. What is the name of your school? I study in Dr. M.K.K. Arya Model School, Panipat. You can write any sentence about your school. My school is one of the best school in the country. Any of the sentence, any other, if you like to write that also which represent your school, how we can say how good your school is. That sentence you can write about your school. Okay. It has 2 playgrounds. Then you can write about playgrounds. It has 2 playgrounds. Along with my friends. I, along with my friends, regularly play there. You can also write about the games which you play there. Just like we play cricket, football, hide and seek, and many more games there. You can write other games even which you play, play in those playgrounds. We play cricket, football, hide and seek, and many more games there. My school also has a lot of small gardens. Then you can write about small gardens which are available in your school. These gardens make my school look even more beautiful. They increase the beauty of your school. And you can write about the flowers you see there. Okay. But as we are to write in brief, we are to cut the lines. But if you think you are to increase the length, if according to you, if you want to increase the length, you may write the names of those flowers which you see in those gardens. Okay. Next, the classrooms in my school are big and tidy. Then you are to explain about the classrooms. Classroom in my school are big and tidy. Tidy means clean. We have green boards. Then you have to write what are there available there in your classrooms. We have green boards. Green boards, projectors, display boards in all the classrooms. In all the classrooms, green boards, projectors, display boards are there. You can write what you used to present in the display board. It is the weekly responsibility of the students to present there, to decorate the display board. You can write these lines even. Apart from classroom, means along with this classroom, we also have practical labs, then art room, dance room, music room, etc. Means so many other rooms are also there where you can prepare or where you can present different activities related to different topics. Then we have a big library also. Big library is also available in your school where we can read different books peacefully. There is a library in your school where we can read different books peacefully. Means nobody is allowed to make any noise there, so you can read there peacefully. All the competitions and cultural events take place in the auditorium. Where all the competition and cultural events take place? In the auditorium of my school. You can add some lines about the auditorium, how spacious it is, how airy it is, and projectors are also there. Lightning, about the lightning of the auditorium you can explain, you can add more lines about that. The best thing about my school is that it has creative and dedicated teachers. You can write more lines about teachers, what subjects they used to teach, and how loving and helpful they are. They are always ready to help you when you are in any of the problem. They are always ready to bring you out of the problem if you are facing any. Okay, you can add these lines. I love my school very much. At the end, you are to sum up with the concluding line. I love my school very much. Let us look at this paragraph once again so that it would be more clear to you. I study in Dr. MKK Arya Model School, Panipat. Where you study? In Dr. MKK Arya Model School, Panipat. My school is one of the best schools in the country. When we make use of one of, then we make use of plural noun. One of the best schools in the country. It has 2 playgrounds. I, along with my friends, regularly play in those playgrounds. And what games you used to play? We play cricket, football, hide and seek, and many more games there. My school also has a lot of small gardens. So many small gardens are there in your school. These gardens make my school look even more beautiful. They add to the beauty of my school, mean to say. The classroom in my school are big and tidy. Big and clean, we can say. Big and tidy. We have, then what is there in your classroom? We have green boards, projectors, display boards in all the classrooms. What is there in your classroom? Green boards, projectors, display boards. You can also write about duster, chalks, and so many other things which are there in your classroom, which you daily see in your classroom. Apart from classroom, we also have practical labs, art room, dance room, music room, etc. We have a big library also. Big library is also there in your school, where we can read different books peacefully. You can read different books peacefully as nobody is allowed to make noise there. All the competition and cultural events take place in the auditorium of my school. Where the competition and cultural events take place of your school? In the auditorium. The best thing about my school is that it has creative and dedicated teachers. You can write dedicated staffs even other members, other peon and other persons also. They are very helpful. They are always ready to help you. You can write about them also. I love my school very much. Now students, I think so you must have understood how to write the paragraph on my school. This is the descriptive paragraph in which you are supposed to write the description about the place. And what tense you are to use for this? Simple present tense. Simple present tense you are to make use of.